All right, we're off. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a few weeks since my last video. I was away for a bit, and since getting back home I actually haven't been feeling too great. And of course, it's been pretty much raining every day. So, you know, I haven't really had much of a chance to get out on the bike, but I still had some riding footage sitting on a hard drive from earlier in the season. You know, on this one I was actually trying to find my way back to an off-road spot I'd been before. I just picked up the DJI Neo at the time, so it was actually my first time taking it out on a ride. Anyways, let's get into it, guys. Hey, I found it. Take off my alright. Finally, I get to where I'm going. I don't know what happened with the map, man. I'm definitely rusty on my bike. Hello, horsies. Maybe I'll stop somewhere and try the Neo, but not this road, that's for sure. I'm still not confident with this stuff, man. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, so at this point I only had one battery for the Neo, so I didn't have a whole lot of flying time to play with. There's a nice spot. Hopefully this thing will record it so I can keep it and get back to it. I'm tractoring now. I like this spot. I remember this. And it went up over there. This would have been actually the really nice spot for the drone. I like it, man. I like it. Yeah, there's some deep gravel here though, boy. Oh. Loose on the steering, man. Attack position. Oh, I love this spot, man. Gonna save this track. I don't know, maybe I should snap some more pictures here. That's the main road there, and I think I can go beyond it, if I'm not mistaken. Hey, man. That guy's just flying. Oh, what a nice place to ride. It's a steep hill coming up here. Stand up, Rich. Confidence. That's a beautiful land out here. Really is. Well, I'm not really doing much talking out here because I'm actually cold. I don't think it's warm enough for me right now. I'm gonna have to head home soon. Oh, better on this side when the sun's hitting me. When the sun drops, boy, oh man, is it ever cold. This is the road I was looking for. Found it. Almost wiped out twice. Like, seriously, almost wiped out. Probably the closest I've come. I don't imagine when I actually finally do wipe out. I really hope my bones don't break. We'll see how it goes. I should be standing up more, but I'm kind of tired. I haven't rode a long ride all season, so. But it's more the cold too. I had to stop here for a sec because I'm not sure which is the one that takes me home. I feel like I can go straight. I don't remember. I think I'm just gonna head home. Alright guys, as you can see, I was quite cold during the video. And I do remember that day specifically. It was very, very cold. The sun kind of disappeared. I was feeling quite chilly, so I kind of cut and headed home. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to catch you guys in another video coming soon. Take care everyone. Bye for now.